Hi everyone! I want to come to you today and do a little lesson on subtraction up to the hundreds place. Yesterday we did some addition and carrying up to the hundreds place. So today I wanted to practice some subtraction problems with you. Okay, so if you want to, you can follow along and do them with me as we go. And I want to do a few review problems first of all, so we can kind of remember what to do when we're borrowing from the tens place into the ones place. Okay, so let's do a few today, just to kind of do a little bit, just to remember the process of what we're supposed to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with 22 minus 8. Okay, so 2 minus 8. So when we see a subtraction equation, we always have to ask the question, can I do it? So if I have a smaller number on the top and a larger number on the bottom, I can't subtract that, right? If I have 2 apples and you want 8 of them, I can't give you 8. I don't have that many. So remember the rhyme. When there's more on the floor, we go next door. So the 2 asks this 2 for a set of 10. So this 2 says, here's your set of 10. And because this 2 just gave up a set of 10, it's 1 less. So this 2 now becomes a 1. So who asked for a set of 10? This 2 here did. So this 2 gets together with the set of 10, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. So now this 2 turns into a 12. So 12 take away 8 equals 4, and 1 take away nothing is just 1. Okay, so final answer is 14. All right, let's do another one like that for a little bit of practice, just going from the tens place to the ones place. Okay, so let's do 27 minus 8. All right, so I look at my subtraction sign. I ask myself, can I do it? 7 take away 8. Well, 7 is smaller than 8, so the answer is no. So when there's more on the floor, we go next door. So the 7 asks the 2 for a set of 10. So the 2 says, here you go, 7, here's your set of 10. Now the 2 is 1 less because it gave up a set of 10. So the 2 becomes a 1. Who asked for the set of 10? Well, the 7 did. So the 7 gets together with the 10. And so 10 plus 7 equals 17. So my 7 now becomes a 17. So 17 take away 8 equals 9. And 1 take away nothing is just 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a number in our hundreds place. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 291 minus 15. Okay, so here we go. I see it's a minus sign, so I have to ask myself, can I do it? 1 take away 5. Well, 1 is smaller than 5, so 5 is bigger. 5 is on the floor. So when there's more on the floor, we go next door. So the 1 asks the 9 for a set of 10. So the 9 says, here's your set of 10. The 9 just gave up a set of 10, so it's 1 less. So the 9 now becomes an 8. Who asked for a set of 10? Well, the number 1 did. So the 1 and the 10 get together, and 10 plus 1 equals 11. So now my number 1 is 11. So 11 take away 5 equals 6. 8 take away 1 equals 7. And 2 take away nothing is 2. Okay, so we just move right on over to our hundreds place and subtract. Okay, let's do another one like this. Okay, here we go. Let's do 572 minus 24. All right, so here we go. I ask myself, can I do it? 2 take away 4. Well, 2 is smaller than 4, so the answer is no. When there's more on the floor, we go next door. So the 2 asks the 7 for a set of 10. So the 7 says, here's your set of 10. And now the 7 is 1 less because it gave up a set of 10. So my 7 is now a 6. The 2 gets together with the set of 10. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So my 2 now is a 12. 12 take away 4 equals 8. 6 take away 2 equals 4. And 5 take away nothing equals 5. Okay? Well, now let's go ahead and borrow from the hundreds place. Okay? Let's make it a little bit harder. Okay, So here we go. Let's do 627 minus 45. Okay, so it's subtraction, so we ask, can I do it? 7 take away 5. Can I do that? Yeah, 7 is bigger than 5. So if I have 7 oranges, can I give you 5 of them? Sure. So when there's more on the top, no need to stop. You just keep on subtracting. So 7 take away 5 equals 2. Now I move to my tens place. Here I go. 2 take away 4. Can I do that? Well, 2 is smaller than 4, so I can't subtract. So when there's more on the floor, I go next door. So the 2 asks the 6 for a set of 10. So the 6 says, here's your set of 10. Now the 6 is 1 less because it gave up a set of 10, so my 6 is now a 5. The 2 gets together with a set of 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12, so my 2 is now a 12. 12 take away 4 equals 8, and 5 take away nothing is 5. Okay, make sure that when you subtract over here that you are using this number, not the 6, right? The 6 gave up a set of 10, so it's no longer a 6 in that hundreds place. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one like this. Okay, let's go ahead and do 907 minus 23. Okay, so here I go. I ask myself, can I do it? 7 take away 3. Yes, 7 is bigger than 3, right? If I have 7 cookies, I can give you 3 of them, right? When there's more on the top, no need to stop. So we're just going to keep on subtracting. So 7 take away 3 equals 4. Now I move to my tens place. 0 take away 2. Can I do it? No. If I have 0 cookies, can I give you 2? No, I don't have any. So the 0 has to ask the 9 for a set of 10. So the 9 says, here's your set of 10. And of course, the 9 now becomes 1 less, which is an 8. The 0 is the one that asks for a set of 10. So the 0 and the 10 get together. 10 plus 0 is 10. So my 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. 8 take away nothing is 8. Okay, so my final answer, 884. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Here we go. Let's do 735 minus 51. All right, so here we go. We see a subtraction sign, so we ask, can I do it? 5 take away 1. Can I do it? Yes. If I have 5 grapes, can I give you 1? I sure can. 5 is bigger than 1, so when there's more on the top, no need to stop. So 5 take away 1 equals 4. Now I move to my tens place. 3 take away 5. Can I do it? No. If I have 3 grapes, I can't give you 5. I don't have enough. So when there's more on the floor, when the bottom number is bigger than the top number, we go next door. So the 3 asks the 7 for a set of 10. So the 7 says, here's your set of 10. The 7 becomes 1 less because it just gave up a set of 10. So the 7 is now a 6. The 3 is the one that asks for the set of 10. So the 3 gets together with the 10 and makes it 13. Now the 3 becomes a 13. 13 take away 5 equals 8. Right? Okay, and then I move to my hundreds place. 6 take away nothing equals 6. Final answer, 684. All right, and it looks like we have time to do one more. Let's do one more practice together. Here we go. Let's do 844 minus 72. Okay, so here we go. 4 take away 2. Can I do it? Yes. More on the top, no need to stop. The 4 is bigger than the 2. So 4 take away 2 equals 2. Now I move to my tens place. 4 take away 7. Is there more on the top? No. There's more on the floor, more down here. So I have to go next door. So that 4 asks the 8 for a set of 10. So the 8 says, here's your set of 10. The 8 just gave up a set of 10, so it's 1 less. So the 8 is now a 7. Who asked for a set of 10? The 4 did. So the 4 gets together with the 10 and it becomes 14. So now my 4 is a 14. 14 take away 7 equals 7. 7 take away nothing equals 7. Final answer 772. Okay, so I hope that helps you out. Make sure that you are asking that question when you see your subtraction sign. Can I do it? Remember our little rhyme. When there's more on the top, no need to stop. When there's more on the floor, go next door. So I hope that will help you to get the right answer. And maybe your mom or dad could do a few math equations with you and you could have some extra practice. Okay, so have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye.